So we have these beautiful baby back ribs from US Wellness Meats that I have some soy sauce and some mango nectar in the bottom and a little bit of water, about a quarter cup and a quarter cup and a quarter cup, a couple tablespoons of soy sauce. And now I'm just gonna do some dry ingredients of garlic powder, some oregano, pepper, and salt. Oh, and I put some Calabrian chilies for taste and spice to kick it up. And that's it. I'm only going to season the top. I'm going to let the juices permeate through the bottom. So the most important thing for having mouth-watering tender ribs and moist ribs is to cover when you put them in the oven or on the grill. If you're going to grill them, I suggest that you do it on an offset flame, meaning there should not be flames underneath. The rest of the burners can be lit, but they should be on a side where there are no flames. Low and slow. I'm going to cover this so no moisture can get out. Nice and tight. I do parchment first because I don't really like to cook with aluminum foil. I don't want aluminum foil leaching into the food, so I do parchment as the base, aluminum foil on top. So this way everything gets sealed in nice and tight and all those juices just permeate and marinate the ribs, and it's going to be delicious. So I have an oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to pop these in the oven for 2 hours. 2 hours. That's it. Then we're going to uncover them, turn up the heat, and get them nice and caramelized, and it's going to be banging. I'm very excited. Thank you again, US Wellness Meats, for these lovely baby back ribs. I got my baby back. If I had hair, that would work, but there's nothing better than pairing ribs with some coleslaw. So let's make some coleslaw. Now look at the beauty of this. Look how quick and easy and simple and delicious this is going to be paired with our baby back ribs. I'm very excited. So we're just going to finely chop our cabbage. And we have some tomatoes, which is different for coleslaw, but the tomatoes are ripe, so why waste them? And with cooking, you know, the possibilities are limitless. I'm going to do half of an onion. I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. I got a heaping tablespoon of mayo, some salt, some oregano. I have some balsamic and apple cider vinegar mixed together. This is going to pair very nicely with our baby back ribs from US Wellness. Wow. This makes your mouth water. It makes your mouth water so good. Sweet, nice salt, acidic creaminess from the mayo, but not too much mayo. I don't like when coleslaws have too much mayo. So good. You guys are gonna make it. This is awesome. Remember, like, subscribe, share. Introduce me to your family and friends. I want to help you guys cook healthy, easy dishes. I want to educate you. I want to share my movies with you. I want you to see my acting. I want to get to know you. So please, share, subscribe. Peace and love to you. Thank you. Pretty soon we're going to go check on the ribs. A couple hours. Maybe we'll work out, go swim. We have our delicious grass-fed filet mignon, our baby back ribs that we just cut from US Wellness, and they look, and I bet they taste delicious. I'm going to taste, and they are delicious. I'm going to taste some filet.
I'm gonna.
The filet mignon is so juicy. It's crazy. Wow.
Oh my God.
Cherry is caring.
Carnivore. Sharing is caring.
Sharing is
Oh
caring.
my God. Delicious.
Have a beautiful
So
day,
good.
morning, evening, night, whenever you're watching this. Click like, subscribe. Peace and love to you. Have a beautiful one. Thank you, US Wellness Meats.
Hi, darling. Where are you? You didn't call me all day. Call me. Make my day. Love you. Hello?
Remember that cooking isn't limited to what I tell you or what anyone else tells you, even if someone has more experience. It's about experimenting. It's about getting your hands dirty. It's about being present and having fun, laughing with your family and friends, and enjoying wholesome, delicious food of the earth.